This is the Padua Podcast Network.
It looks like a little donut. I'm not sure how to use it. Running Fever, episode 190, Mandrill Workout Elite Hand Exerciser Kit, unboxing and review. All right. Well, here we go. We're going to unbox the Mandrill Workout Elite Hand Exerciser Kit. All right, so you can see exactly what it is. And it's supposed to have all this stuff in it, including a how-to ebook, which they probably won't put in the package. So I just finally got this piece of tape off, which was really making life difficult. Very tightly packaged. You don't have to worry about things falling out. All right, and I can see it's all in this neat drawstring carrying case. And it's got a picture of what looks like some kind of monkey, I think. Don't know what that is. It'd be very interesting to find out. But they have chosen this creature as their mascot for the logo. All right, so this thing has a drawstring with a little thing on it. Keep it tight. And let's dump out all the contents. It's a nice black. I like the colors that they chose. This is like some kind of really green, blue-green or something. I don't know, I'm kind of red-green colorblind, so I'm not sure. So I like that on the black. And I've got a nice little card that says, "Welcome to the Mandrill Sports family, mandrillsports.com. Bobo is the founder," whoever that is. Okay, so we have several items here that are all, of course, in plastic bags, as you can probably hear. So the largest one I'm going to open up, and everything's black here. I don't know if they have other colors available, but black. So this is the hand grip, looks like. And I haven't read the ebook that's supposed to be wonderful, but this looks like it's fine. It's adjustable, so you can adjust the tension on it and there's just a spring, and that's all it is. It's a spring with adjustable tension, and you can use it. And I can see that plus is clockwise, so I'm adding tension to it. And it's getting a little bit harder. It doesn't really feel that hard, and I think this may be slipping. There were a couple of different brands of this. I was looking for something to help my grip, because what's been happening is some of the weights that I'm doing, like especially shrugs and deadlifts and things like that, where I have to pick up a barbell off the ground, my grip is limiting my ability to go up in weight, basically. The amount of weight that I can lift has limited my grip. So I want to improve my grip, and so I wanted to get something. So a friend of mine at work, a guy at work, has some of this stuff, got the same kind of kit, basically, and I looked at the brand that he got, and it was several times more expensive than this one. This one was available, looked like exactly the same thing, and I don't know where it was made. Made in China, designed in the EU. So probably every single one of these brands is made by the exact same company in China, and then they just put their different. So I'm guessing that this is exactly the same thing. I'm going to take it to work so you can see. So the second thing that I'm looking at here is basically just a rubber band, and inside the rubber band are other rubber bands that you can put your fingers into, and then you can spread them out and stretch against the big rubber band on the outside, and you can therefore, it looks like I'm feeling my forearm muscles activating, which is pretty cool because I don't do anything specifically for the forearm. So That looks like it's going to be pretty useful, but it looks kind of weird, just like all this stuff. Well, let's go to this one next. Looks like how would I describe this for the people who are listening to the audio unboxing only? This has a spring. It's got like a rectangle in the middle with spring-loaded little things on the outside that you can press in like buttons. It's like pressing buttons with your individual fingers. And then there is a spring on the outside that's just one piece that your palm goes into. So you put this in the palm of your hand and you can squeeze it. I think this is not, I mean, it's got the nice Mandrill Workout logo on there. It's pretty slick. But it doesn't have as much of the tension of this thing, which is like a typical caliper thing, except it's adjustable. I say caliper, I don't know. But the big thing where you squeeze two things together moves on a spring, a single big spring, is adjustable. This one is not adjustable. I think it's more for individual fingers. I don't know. This is the kind of thing where I would need to read that e-manual that they've got that, of course, I can't see because it's electronic. So this last piece, I'm not so sure about. It looks like a little donut. I'm not sure how to use it. I'll have to just figure out what it is and read the manual or something, but it's a little rubber donut. So I don't know. We'll see what that does. But anyway, this whole thing looks to be fairly decent quality. I'm going to check with my coworker, but I think this is the exact same thing that he had for a fraction of the price. So I think all of these things are made in the same factory in China, put different names on them, and then send them out. They put this nice logo on it and the box and everything, and that's all that's different, I think. I'm looking forward to trying these out and seeing if they can improve my grip so I can lift more weights on those things when I have to grip the bar and pull upward. I hope you enjoyed this review, and it's just an initial review. I may have another review later on where I talk about how I've actually used it and whether it worked or not, but this is the initial quality review. And it looks to be fairly decent and good for the price. And I think the price was about $10, honestly. I don't remember exactly, but I think it was about $10, and then you could pay probably $50 or something for the other brand. And I bought it on Amazon, and there will be, of course, as everything that I talk about on here, you can get by going to runningfever.com and clicking on the resources page. And I'll have all the resources there that you can get, and you can go direct to this particular brand on Amazon. If you buy it through my link, then you can help out the show and help us do more of these. So thank you very much. If you got the fever, keep it. If you don't, go out and catch it, and I'll talk to you next time on Running Fever.